Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you that how you can set a password for your Rednote account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, first you need to do is to open your Rednote application. Once you do so, you will find the option here of me, which is your profile. You can tap on that one. From here, you can access to the setting by tapping on the setting icon. From here, you need to tap on account security. And here, just below your mobile phone number, you will find password. You need to tap on that. And here, you can set a new password. First, you need to enter your password and then repeat the same password again. And then tap on done. So I will enter the password first and then I will show you. So guys, as you can see, I enter a password. You can choose from 6 to 16 characters. There can be digits as well, and some special characters you can add up as well. So once you choose the password and re-enter the same password, all you need to do is to tap on done. So guys, this is all it takes to set a password for your Rednote account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.